Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. So today I just want to share with you the couple goodies that I got during the Sephora sale. It's mostly things that I need, so let's just get into it. So I'm always on the hunt for a really good sunscreen, and this year I wanted to purchase a new one that would just make my life easier. So whether it's me applying it in the morning or just reapplying it throughout the day, because the last two that I tried recently either gave me a white cast or the glow was just not dark enough for me, if you know what I mean. So I ended up getting this one from Shiseido. Now I did try a couple from Shiseido, which I liked both of them, but I wanted to get the stick this time. So this is the clear sun stick, and this one comes in SPF 50. Keep in mind that this is extremely small. The average sunscreen product comes in at least 50 ml, whereas this one is in grams, so the equivalent would be 50 grams, right? Now you get 20 grams in this one, and for the price I don't know if it's worth it. So I've had my eyes on this one for a while. I wanted to give it a try. So far everything I've tried from Shiseido has been great, so I'm hoping this is going to be perfect for me, just because sometimes whenever I'm out and I need to reapply my sunscreen, I don't want to touch my face. So I feel like this might make it easier for me, so we'll see if it's worth it. So the next SPF product I have is from Jack Black, and it's a lip balm. This is the Moisture Therapy Lip Balm SPF 25. I've been using this forever. I've talked about this already on my channel. Typically I get the set during the holiday sale, but I ended up purchasing another one just because they're all done, and I got the Shea Butter. So SPF on your lips is also very important, so don't forget that. I truly like this one because it is super soft on the lips, it's hydrating, and my lips are never chapped whenever I use this, so it's my go-to lip balm. Next one was actually part of my recommendation list, so I did say I was planning on buying a new one. So this one is from Glow Recipe. So this is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I like using a balm just to remove my makeup because it does a great job at breaking down all of the products that I have on my face. If ever I'm wearing false lashes or I have a waterproof mascara, which can be hell to remove, this does a great job. Removes everything and it doesn't irritate my eyes. I just use a cleanser after that just because, you know, I like to double cleanse, but this is really good. And this will last you a long time. A little bit goes a long way. Happy I got it during the sale. I've had this one on my wish list for a while and I've been thinking about it, so I decided to bite the bullet and get it. So this is from Hourglass. It's actually a concealer brush. I am a sponge girl. I've always used a sponge to blend out my concealer, but I've been curious about getting a brush. So I want to see if this is going to work. Now this is the Vanish Seamless Finish Concealer Brush, and I believe this is the regular size. It does come in different sizes. This is what it looks like. I am super excited to try it. It is also angled, and it is really soft. Now I do plan on using this next time just to see if it blends well my concealer, but I think you can use this also to blend out any small areas that you have. For example, your contour right here. I like to use a bronzer, so if ever I want to define this part of my nose bridge, I feel like this should work well. If this is great, maybe I'll get the smaller size. I want to see if it's going to work well in my routine, but I'm pretty excited about that. The next one I have is from Sephora. This is the Velour Makeup Puff Face Puff. This is actually a lot bigger than I expected. I thought it was going to be smaller because I've been using the puffs from Amazon. They're like the triangle puff, and they're pretty great. I use them to blend out my concealer, set my concealer, and they're amazing. But I wanted to use this one just to see how it would look like using a puff on my face instead of my brush. And this was so affordable. I think I got this for like $4, so I was super happy about that with the 30% off. So this one was also part of my recommendation list, and I had to buy another one because summer is coming and I need my skin to look perfect. No smile lines. And yes, I got another universal shade from Danny St. Mark's. This is the Yummy Skin, and when I tell you this blurring balm powder is amazing, I truly love it. I've talked about it so many times. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing about it, but I had to get another one. If you're interested, I did a full review on this, so I will link it down below to give you more information, but I think I've talked about this enough. So the next one I have is from Frag Beauty, and I had to get this one. When I read about it, it looked pretty interesting. It's like a 3-in-1, and I was sold. Okay, so this is Rich from Frag Beauty, and this one is essentially you can use it as a serum, you can use it as a primer, and you can also use it as a face mask. Okay, now when I saw that, I was super excited. I knew I had to try it, and it looks pretty interesting. It does have a lot of nice ingredients. So this is what she looks like, and to be honest, I am so excited to try this. I want to see what it feels like on the skin just as like skincare, but I also want to try it with my makeup. Now the reason why I also got this is because I want to see how it compares to this one from Glow Recipe that I've been obsessed with. I've used this as my skincare. I don't use this as a primer, but it is truly amazing. It feels like a primer for my skincare. My face feels amazing. It feels fresh, it feels hydrated, and it almost feels like it smooths all of the texture that I have on my skin. Now I want to see if this is going to give me the same effect, but because this is also a 3-in-1, I don't know. I am curious to see if this is going to possibly replace that, but anyway, nonetheless, I'm pretty excited. I'll keep you posted. Next one I have on the list is from Haus Labs, and I ended up purchasing one of their blushes. This is Watermelon Bliss. It's a nice bright red. I had a hard time choosing between this one from Haus Labs or Exhibit A from NARS because they're pretty similar, at least the description. I ended up getting this one. We'll see how it looks like on my skin, but I wanted a nice bright red. I feel like it's going to look so good. I'm assuming it's going to look so good on my skin during the spring, during the summer, or whenever I want to put it on. I was not expecting it to be this big. Now she is huge, very pretty. I really like the packaging. Packaging is beautiful. You can see the shade, you see how bright it is. It's not a hot pink. I know it's coming off a little bit pink on camera, but it's a nice bright red. So I'm truly excited to try this, and we'll see. So I couldn't help myself. I really wanted to try this product from Rare Beauty. I got the lip oil. So this is the Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil, and I got this one in the shade Delight, and this is what she looks like. I think it's going to be pretty nice on the lips. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it's going to look beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, perfect. I think this is going to be super nice during the summer, or just whenever I want to do like a nice pink lip, neutral, keep it simple. I think this is going to look beautiful. So that's everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you have any of these products on your list. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.